Before buying Focusmate, here are 12 important things you should know to see if it's the right productivity and time management tool for you. Focusmate is a unique platform that connects you with accountability partners for virtual co-working sessions. But how does it stack up against its competitors like Rescue Time or Toggle? Let's break it down. First, Focusmate offers one-on-one virtual co-working sessions where you work alongside a partner on tasks you set for yourself. It's a simple, effective way to stay accountable and avoid distractions. This is different from tools like Toggle, which focus more on time tracking than interaction with others. Next thing, Focusmate's structure is all about scheduled sessions. You book a 50-minute session where you work side by side with someone else, which can help boost your productivity significantly. The key benefit here is the forced focus, with no room for procrastination or distractions. Competitors like Rescue Time don't provide this human element, which can be a game changer for some users. The third thing to note is that Focusmate is based on a peer-to-peer model. This means you're not just working independently, but you're part of a community. You're paired with other users who are also working on their own tasks, and this sense of camaraderie can help you stay on track. On the flip side, tools like Freedom or Cold Turkey block distractions, but don't offer the same kind of collaborative experience. The fourth thing, Focusmate is also extremely flexible. You can book sessions at any time of the day, which is ideal for people with irregular schedules. Compared to tools like Toggle, which is more about tracking time rather than offering flexible, interactive sessions, this makes Focusmate an attractive option for remote workers. Another key point is Focusmate's paid plans. While the free version gives you 3 sessions a week, you'll need a premium subscription to get unlimited sessions. This may not be for everyone, especially compared to fully free alternatives like Clockify. However, the price is reasonable when you consider the extra motivation and accountability you get from the live sessions. Next, Focusmate is focused on personal productivity. Unlike more detailed time management tools like Asana or Trello, which are project-oriented, Focusmate simply helps you focus on the tasks at hand. If you need task management, these alternatives might be better suited for you. The seventh thing to know is Focusmate's accountability system. You're required to set a goal for each session, and at the end of the session, you report on whether you've completed it. This feedback loop is crucial for progress, but can be a bit too structured for some users. Another important thing is that Focusmate allows for flexibility in the types of tasks you work on. Whether it's work tasks, creative projects, or studying, you can set your own goal for each session, which gives it a broad range of uses. If you're looking for a highly specific productivity tool, though, you might prefer something more niche like ClickUp or Notion. The ninth point is that Focusmate offers a global community. You can be matched with people from all around the world, giving you a wide range of schedules to choose from. If you like a more localized experience, competitors like Freedom or Stay Focused might give you a more personal, regional touch. The 10th thing is the ease of use. Focusmate is simple and intuitive, and you don't have to spend time setting up complex integrations or learning complicated features. It's easy to jump in and start working. Compared to more feature-packed platforms like Monday.com, this simplicity can be refreshing. The 11th thing is customer support. Focusmate offers email support, but response times can sometimes be slower than other services like Toggle, which have more extensive help centers. If you're someone who values fast responses, this might be something to consider. Finally, Focusmate's community aspect can be both a strength and a weakness. While having a partner to keep you accountable is motivating, some users might find the random matching with strangers a bit awkward. If you prefer a more personalized experience, there are other tools that offer more control over who you work with. Overall, Focusmate is a solid productivity tool, especially if you're someone who struggles with staying focused and needs that external accountability. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution with project management, time tracking, and other features, there might be a better fit for you. Check out our recommended solution that you can try for free to see if it suits your needs.